Hi everyone, and if you want to know how to create posts on Reddit, you've come to the right place. So first of all, you need to open your Reddit app and log into your Reddit account. So here you can see in the bottom 5 different icons like homepage, communities, create, chat and inbox. So we need to click on create, and here we can write a title. For video I will just smash on buttons, but in the top you need to write a title for your Reddit post. It's good if the title will be some catchy or interesting for people to watch and read your title. Here are the text, so just simply you can add some text. In the chain icon you can add a link, but I don't need it. So also you can add an image, just click on image icon and video. Also need just clicking on image icon. Click on next, and here you need to choose a subreddit on which you want to post your post. So we choose our subreddit and click on post. And that's all, our post is ready. Thank you for watching, leave a like and subscribe.